Understanding, hoping for, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common English expression, hoping for. This phrase is used often in both spoken and written English, and understanding it can help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. Hoping for is a phrase that combines the verb hope with the preposition for. To hope means to wish for something with a sense of expectation and a desire for a certain outcome. When you are hoping for something, you are looking forward to it and wishing it will happen. It's about feeling optimistic about the future. For example, I'm hoping for good weather tomorrow. She's hoping for a promotion. When we use hoping for, it's important to follow it with a noun or a noun phrase. It can also be followed by a that clause in more formal or complete sentences, although it's less common in everyday conversation. Right, I am hoping for a positive response. Less common, I am hoping that the response is positive. Remember, you don't use hoping for with verbs. If you want to express hope about an action, you simply use hope, followed by the verb phrase. Right, I hope to see you soon. Wrong, I am hoping for to see you soon. The phrase, hoping for, can be used in different tenses depending on the context. Here's how you can use it in the past, present, and future tenses. Past, I was hoping for a miracle. Present, I am hoping for some good news. Future, I will be hoping for your success. Let's look at some scenarios where you might use hoping for. 1. Making wishes about the future. When you want something to happen later, you use hoping for. With my birthday coming up, I'm hoping for a surprise party. 2. Expressing desires. It's a way to talk about your desires without being too direct or assertive. I'm hoping for a day off to rest and recharge. 3. In conditional sentences, it often comes up in conditional or hypothetical situations. If I apply for the job, I'm hoping for an interview. Here are some phrases that can be similar in meaning to hoping for, and might be used interchangeably depending on the context. Wishing for, more about desire than expectation. Looking forward to, about anticipation and excitement for something that's likely to happen. Counting on, implies more certainty and reliance on the outcome. I hope this video helps clarify how and when to use the phrase, hoping for, in English. It's a useful phrase that can add a touch of optimism to your conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll find it becomes a natural part of your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Until next time, keep hoping for the best.